This do-it-yourself zinc skin rash cream really works.
I have plenty of recipes for using zinc for sunscreen and for diaper rash, but I really don't need the beeswax in it because I don't need this to be water repellent. So I'm taking my easiest to make body butter recipe to make this zinc rash cream. Now we're starting out with Shea Butter, and Shea Butter, of course, has its own magic of its own. And because we're not melting it and we're mixing it with the mixer, we want it to be at room temperature and cut in pretty small pieces. Okay, and then I'm adding, you can use olive oil. I'm using some infused lemon balm oil, but you can use whichever oil you want. And then it's just a matter for right now of just mixing these two together. And you want to mix them a good 5 minutes to make sure they're really thoroughly incorporated. Okay, now you can see I've got this really blended well. It's nice and smooth and creamy. I mean, it's just like making icing. Of course, every once in a while you have to stop and scrape the sides down just like you do when you're making the icing. I'll say now I'm ready to add I'm adding vitamin E as an antioxidant. Now, because this is all oils and butters, I do not need a preservative, but I do need an antioxidant. And I'm going to use about a quarter of a teaspoon of vitamin E. My jar is just about empty. See if I can get that in there. And then I'm going to use a quarter of a teaspoon of lavender oil because of its healing properties. Now, you could use some other essential oils if you prefer others. You certainly don't want to use anything that would burn, like peppermint or any of your oranges. You have to be something that's pretty mild. And so now it's just a matter of whipping these together once more for several minutes. Okay, now I'm ready to add my zinc powder. Now you want to make sure it's a zinc oxide, it's non-nano, and it's pharmaceutical grade. I'm going to add that in, and once more, just whip it in like I did the other things. Okay, you can see how nice and creamy that is. Now I'm ready to add it, to put it in a container. Now I got these cute little tins off Amazon. And I really like the little gold color. Okay, it's just a matter of filling these things up, putting a lid on them, and you've got this wonderful zinc skin rash cream, and it really works good. Back a while back, I had COVID. I got a really bad rash under my arms, and this just really did a good job of clearing it up. Doesn't that look great?
Now all of this is going to be in the description bar, so you don't have to worry about writing it all down. And I also have links to my other videos that tell how to make an infused oil. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. We are a small family farm and we need your support to continue to make these videos and share natural healing remedies. Visit me at FamilyGuideToHerbs.com. Now my channel name on YouTube is Carolyn Gibson Herbalist.